Hello guys, in this video we'll show you the 5 best web hosting services in the UK right now in 2024. In it we'll review factors such as the features and the price and also the quality that you get for the price that you're paying. Without further ado, let's get to the video.
Number 1. HostArmada has swiftly gained recognition in the web hosting industry for its exceptional performance, user-friendly interface, and robust security measures, all at budget-friendly prices. With shared hosting plans starting as low as $2 a month, HostArmada offers options suitable for beginners and small to mid-sized websites, with features like unmetered bandwidth, free domain name, and daily backups. The provider's custom dashboard integrated with cPanel ensures easy management, while its strong uptime guarantee and responsive customer support further enhances its appeal. Despite slightly higher renewal prices and limited resources in some of the plans, HostArmada stands out for its reliability, speed, and comprehensive security offerings, making it a complete and compelling choice for those seeking quality hosting solutions without breaking the bank. Number 2.
Looking for web hosting that caters to all? Hostinger has you covered. With competitive prices and wide range of features, they make web hosting accessible to everyone. Their commitment to affordability without compromising quality sets them apart. And it's not just about cost cutting. Hostinger provides an impressive range of features, from a user-friendly interface to a free website builder, one-click WordPress installs to a variety of optimization tools. They've got it all covered. One of Hostinger's main pros is its superb speed. In this digital world, every millisecond counts, and Hostinger seems to understand this. They provide fast and reliable hosting services, ensuring your website is always up and running at its best. Hostinger excels in speed, ensuring your website is always up and running smoothly. Their customer support is top-notch, offering 24/7 live chat for quick solutions. Plus, they're environmentally conscious, investing in renewable energy and waste reduction. However, there are a couple of things to consider. The free domain is only included in the premium and business packages, and the base plan has limited bandwidth. So if you're experiencing high traffic or growth, you may need to upgrade. In summary, Hostinger has a solid choice for beginners and experienced webmasters alike. It's affordable, robust, and user-friendly, although additional costs for a domain and higher bandwidth may apply. Remember, in web hosting, quality often comes at a price.
Number 3. ScalaHosting shines as a top-notch web hosting provider, offering a seamless and user-friendly experience for website owners of all levels. Whether you're just starting out or managing multiple websites, their intuitive interface simplifies the process, making it a breeze to navigate and manage your online presence. With a range of hosting options from shared plans to dedicated servers, ScalaHosting caters to the diverse needs and budgets, ensuring there is a perfect fit for every project. What sets them apart is their exceptional uptime performance, guaranteeing that your website remains online and accessible to visitors without interruption. And if you ever run into questions or issues, their responsive support team is there to lend a helping hand, ensuring you're never left stranded. For a hosting solution that is reliable, user-friendly, and backed by excellent support, ScalaHosting is the clear choice. Number 4.
ChemiCloud, a relatively new contender in the web hosting market, stands out with its feature-packed hosting plans, robust performance guarantees, and stellar customer support. Despite its youth, ChemiCloud boasts a diverse team with over a decade of industry experience, emphasizing its commitment to quality service. With data centers across 4 continents and a user-friendly interface, ChemiCloud offers a reliable hosting solution for both beginners and seasoned webmasters alike. However, prospective users should note that while the initial pricing appears attractive, committing to longer-term plans is a necessity to unlock the best rates and additional features that may come at an extra cost. Overall, ChemiCloud impresses with its comprehensive offerings and solid support, making it a worthy choice for those seeking a reliable hosting experience.
Number 5. SiteGround stands out as a top-tier web hosting provider, renowned for its user-friendly interface and exceptional features, tailored to meet the needs of website owners. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, SiteGround's intuitive platform simplifies the process of managing your online presence. With a diverse range of hosting options, including shared hosting, cloud hosting, and dedicated servers, SiteGround offers scalability and flexibility to suit any project size and budget. What truly sets them apart is its commitment to performance and security, boasting features like free SSL certificates, daily backups, and proactive monitoring to keep your website safe and running smoothly. Moreover, SiteGround's customer support team is renowned for its expertise and responsiveness, available 24/7 to provide assistance and guidance whenever you need it. With SiteGround, you can trust that your website is in capable hands, benefiting from reliable hosting services and unparalleled customer support tailored to your specific needs. Thanks for watching us, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this video useful, and this way you support our channel to grow.